It's time for Play-Doh Perfect Pop Maker featuring Surprise Eggman. Let's start making some ice cream. Need some Play-Doh. Fill up the mold. And the other side, ice cream stick. Put it here. Press it. Clean it.
What's going on?
Are you ready?
Yeah!
Ice cream.
Yummy!
Another one. Need some dough.
What?
Need some Play-Doh.
That's right.
Fill up the mold. And the other side, ice cream stick. Are you ready?
Yeah!
Press it.
Yeah! Ice cream! Yummy!
Clean it. You like it?
Yeah! Yummy! Oh!
Now let's make some candies.
Yeah! Love candy! I like it!
It's label of love. Stick it here. Another one here.
Yeah!
Another.
Wow! Flowers! Beautiful! Bye-bye! One more time! Bye-bye! Wow!
Another one.
Yeah!
Roll some Play-Doh. And another one here. Little more.
Oh, I see!
Put it here.
Another one!
And another. Stick it here. And the other side.
Wow!
Fill up the mold.
Oh!
And the other side,
Oh!
ice cream stick. Press it. Clean it. Are you ready?
Yeah!
Popsicle.
Fantastic!
Clean it.
Wow! Beautiful!
And the other side,
Wow! Popsicle! Nice!
put it here.
I'll guard this.
What?
I'll guard this.
Okay.
Fill up the swirl.
Beautiful! Candy! Teddy bear!
Stick it here.
Wow!
And the other side,
Uh-huh.
fill up the mold. And the other side,
Oh!
ice cream stick.
Wow!
Press it.
Oh!
Little more. Clean it.
It's time for making!
I popsicle.
What?
I popsicle.
Oh!
Put it here.
Oh! Wow! Who did this?
I popsicle.
Who did this? What?
I popsicle.
What? Teddy bear? Not again.
Let's write us.
I
Please subscribe.
like it. Okay. Thank you.
Click like and subscribe, okay? Bye.
Super yay! Bye